Yep, that's me at it again. Watch this, watch this. Alright now. I ain't even gonna tell you what I'm build. I'm just let you see, you know what I'm saying? Make a little fun. Alright, look. Look, we're gonna take these pieces, watch this. It might get hot, so I'm gonna get ready. Take the backboard, you take the legs for the backboard. You slide them on right here. It's 3 screws. You're gonna pop this in, make sure it's tight. Then you're gonna grab this bottom piece, because if you don't put that on now, you're gonna be messed up looking now. But watch this. Slide over here, right? You're gonna make you some room. Slide these pieces in. See, and this is what I was telling you. If you didn't have that piece in, you're gonna be fighting, because look what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Look, so pop that in just to get it nice. Then I can pop this and boom, it's even. Let's tighten them up. Alright, let's read. Alright, now what's next? Boom. Yep, that's right, that's right. Alright, look, we're gonna, that's the side for here. 3 screws. Prep them, screw them in. Make some room. Grab the other side. 3 screws. That is, it ain't hard at all. Alright, look. Then we're gonna, I think we're gonna, Yep, we're gonna slide this back. Then, the bed part, look. Stupid, this got this big envelope on it, but ain't nothing in it. Don't make sense, but look, we're gonna slide this piece in here. Put the start in the back, because they're the hardest ones. But when you get them in there, it's easy after that. But look, pop them in. Just getting ready. Boom. Now you can zip. Zip. Boom. Ta-da. What's next? Alright, look, got some more screws. Then we gonna put the front on. Look at that, 3 screws. Bop, just to start them off. Ugly angle, easy. So we're gonna follow it back with the what's the name thingy. Then we're gonna 3 more, bop. Start them off. See? Ugly angle, easy. Then we're gonna follow back, make sure it's tight. You know what I'm saying? Tight is right for your conscience. Know what I'm saying? Make sure, because obviously it's a baby crib. You know what I'm saying? But look, let's read, make sure everything right. We ain't missing nothing out, because this got like you can turn it to some other stuff. So that's it. We're gonna swap this out, clean up. Look, this is what I mean. Look, you can put this piece on or this piece. Alright, look. Now, we're gonna move. Okay, now yeah, we got this piece that's gonna go on top of the dresser that matches. But look, take these out. Fresh and clean. Make some space. Boop. Slice. Change the channel. Look. Take the screws out. Get everything out the way. Alright, yeah. These ain't the instructions. Yeah, these it. Boom. All them pages. Just for this little stuff. But look. We're gonna put this one on, right? Up. Then we're gonna put this one on 1 screw. Boom. It's optional, so we're gonna put the middle one on right here. Boop. Easy. Look. Another one. We're gonna pop that one in. You gotta see this piece here so it can go. Look at this. Flop, flop. 3 screws. Boop. Now it's 2 of them. Just bop. There you go. Floop. Screw that in. Tighten it up. Alright, now it's 4 more in the back. Let me make sure. Yep, there's 4 more in the back. Clean up. Move. Yeah, get this out of my way. So I can move the camera like this. But look, this gonna go back here. Boom, make sure it look right. Yep, that's good. We're gonna put the screws in now. Now, check to make sure it's in the right hole. So we screw it in. It ain't even lopsided and shit. But now when you do it, boom, make sure it's tight. Slide it back. Here it is. Look at that. Let me get out your way right fast. So we can clean it. Boom. Alright, now look. Wow. That's nice, yo. That's nice.